guys, this is a different video. We are actually playing a game on the computer. And guys, we might have some more videos like this, so let's get started. Let's go again, guys. Ah! I know this might be a dumb game, but if we can just get this game to work, we might do some more. Guys, leave in the comments below if you want some more computer games, and I can make that happen. Yeah. If I can get to 10, then that would be good, guys. Ah! And you could leave in the comments what game you want us to play next. Guys, I know this direction that you're looking in is kind of bad, but we can fix that in a couple of days. So yeah, when I get 20, this video will be over. So just stay tight, and if you like this game, just leave it in the comments and leave a like below. And guys, if you want to check this game out, type in Pokemon Games, and this video will be right up there. What was going on there, guys? Yeah, like I said, if we can hit 100 likes, that would be amazing, guys. I mean, that would be amazing. Yeah. So, if you're new, just leave a link below, and that would be good. So guys, I guess we have to end the video here. Bye.